Sam is going to the carnival today. The distance from Sam's home to his school is 2.5 kilometers. The distance from his school to the bus depot is 5.25 kilometers. And the distance from the bus depot to the carnival is 10 kilometers. What is the distance of the carnival from Sam's home? To find the answer, we have to add the decimal numbers 2.5 and 5.25 with the whole number 10. Let's do this using certain steps. To add decimal numbers, we write the given numbers so that the decimal points lie one below the other. If a whole number is involved, we put a decimal point followed by a zero after the whole number. So, we write 10 as 10.0. Recall that decimal numbers having same number of digits after the decimal point are called like decimals. Next, we add zeros to change decimal numbers into like decimals. Now, we add the numbers just as we add ordinary numbers with carryover if any. Adding the decimal numbers 2.50, 5.25 and 10.00, we get the sum 1775 as shown. Finally, we place the decimal point in the answer exactly below the decimal points in the given numbers. So, the distance of the carnival from Sam's home is 17.75 kilometers. Here are the steps to add decimal numbers. Observe them carefully and use them to add more decimal numbers. Sam has found another route to go to the carnival. The new route goes by the post office. The distance of the post office from Sam's home is 4.24 kilometers. The total distance of the carnival from Sam's home is 12.5 kilometers. What is the distance of the carnival from the post office? To find the answer, we need to subtract the decimal number 4.24 from the decimal number 12.5. Let's do it using the following steps. To subtract decimal numbers, we write the given numbers such that the decimal points lie one below the other. If a whole number is involved, we put a decimal point followed by a zero after the whole number. In this case, no whole number is involved. Next, we add zeros wherever required to change decimal numbers into like decimals. Now, we subtract the numbers just as we subtract ordinary numbers with regrouping if required. Subtracting 4.24 from 12.5, we get the difference 826 as shown. Finally, we place the decimal point in the answer exactly below the decimal points in the given numbers. So, the distance of the carnival from the post office is 8.26 kilometers. Here are the steps to subtract decimal numbers. Observe them carefully and then use them to subtract some more decimal numbers.